It's road trip time. All right, we're going on a road trip, getting ready to go, and I think we've got everything in order. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, and as soon as my brother gets here, we're gonna hit the road. Alright, we're at our first stop. Hopefully I'm not covering the microphones here. I didn't feel like pulling out the other mic. We're about 104 miles in, somewhere in Pennsylvania, just before Harrisburg, and then we'll be hitting I-81 southbound towards Virginia. Let's go! Second stop, just taking a seat under a tree here. We're at a Sheetz here in Virginia. Woodstock, Virginia. I don't remember how many miles in, but our first stop got a little bit interesting because we couldn't get gas. For some reason the pumps weren't working at the stop on the PA Turnpike, which was kind of odd, but luckily we had enough in reserve to where we were able to make it down to the interchange with the PA Turnpike and I-81. So that's what we did. So I guess technically this is our third stop, but that was a stop for gas, and we were just pretty much in and out. Now we're gonna take a little break here. We're at least 250 miles in or so, and we'll get back to it. See ya. is it? I don't know, because you know we kind of made the second stop there. Anyway, we're what, about 23 miles north of Roanoke, somewhere around, I think, Buchanan, Virginia. So stop 4, we'll be getting off 81 in another, I don't know, 30 miles or so, and then we'll be getting closer towards Tazewell. I don't think I even mentioned where we were going. Tazewell, Virginia. We're going to the back of the Dragon. All right, see you next time. Last stop until we get to our destination, just getting some gas and hitting the head one more time. I mean, with my bike, I probably could make it. My brother's bike, not so much. Yeah, I haven't introduced him yet, but you know what? We'll get around to it because we'll be getting to the campsite soon. So let's take a look around. As you can see, a whole lot of mountains around here. Looks pretty cool. Loving being out of the old New Jersey. All right, signing off for now. Well, we made it to our destination, and here we are. I'm gonna turn you around here. Here's my brother Sean, sweating his ass off over here, and he's really going luxury camping here because he's got himself a cot and everything that he's setting up. But we got the tent set up, and we got a little time-lapse action of that if you guys want to check it out. But here we are, Cabots Creek, North Tazewell. Take a look around when we get settled in, eat some dinner. And we'll bring you back in a bit. And day 2 is going to be Back of the Dragon. Join us.